Vanakkam and welcome back to our channel TonyRockets. In my last video I did a quick tour of CocoCay, and if you haven't seen that video the link is in the description for you to watch next. And in today's video we are going to the thrill park in CocoCay. Let's jump into the video. So when you get off the ship and you have walked all the way in the end of the pier, and when you go to the right you will be in the chill island. But in today's video we are going to the thrill park. The thrill park in CocoCay, it has the tallest water slide called the Daredevil's Peak. I'm scared of height but I'm still gonna try that one. The thrill park in CocoCay has total 4 main attractions. The first one is the Daredevil's Tower. It has 5 water slides including the tallest, which is the Daredevil's Peak. And then there is this Splashaway Summit, which has family rides, meaning 2 to 4 people can ride at the same time. And then there is the wave pool and the adventure pool.
Yeah, come on!
Over there. Jesus Christ!
First we're gonna start with the Daredevil's Tower.
John Paul from all the way from Philippines.
Oh, hi.
Thank you, man. Need to sanitize.
And I'm gonna try with the easiest one and the fun one, Green Mamba. I actually asked the lifeguard which one is more fun. He says Green Mamba. So here we go.
Just like that? Okay. Thank you. Sama alacak.
It looks like he had a lot of fun doing this. Wow, look at the happiness. And I'm just waiting for Brendan. He went up to do the Daredevil's Peak.
Come on, Brandon.
Bloody hell!
Last time I did the Green Mamba, but this time I'm gonna try the Daredevil's Peak. Let's go. These guys, Mridul and Brendan, have already did the Daredevil's Peak and they are still gonna do it again. On the way to the Daredevil's Peak, here we are in the Duelling Demons. I can never try this one because it is completely gonna give you the feeling of falling 90 degrees. So I'm gonna skip this one.
I can never do that one.
We are still in the halfway. As you can see, the ship is docked and it is already very high and we still have to go more up.
You guys go.
Go first, dude.
No, you guys go. Please, man, go.
Please.
Hurry, please, man.
तू फंस जाएगा. Don't take my video.
Just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of how the island looks from here. There is the beautiful Odyssey of the ship docked, and here is the perfect day at CocoCay. Looks amazing, and here is the wave pool and the view of the thrill park from the top.
was nice because I cannot see anything. Oh my god.
And now we are in the adventure pool. This is basically for the kids to do some fun and exciting adventures. Now I'm walking towards the splash summit and we are gonna try this
Slingshot. So we're gonna try slingshot. That's Brandon. Another Brandon, another Brandon.
There you go.
Thank you.
We're all good to go.
So we have two Brandons here. Brandon from Bahamas and Brandon from India.
we are just halfway through and we are in the Splash Speedway, which has 4 slides. It's all actually small slides, but I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun too.
Hold both hands? Yeah. Ready? Ready? Oh, Lord!
Thanks, man. Joseph.
Yes, yes.
That's Joseph from Bahamas.
All right. Joseph brought us ashore. Joseph brought us ashore.
Thank you so much, Brandon.
You guys been all everywhere.
That was a lot of fun. We just finished the slingshot and here is the refreshments and the snack venue where you can refuel for more adventures. Oh no, we wanted to try the wave pool, but unfortunately we were late and it's been closed. And just wanted to let you people know that all the crew members of the Odyssey of the Seas were given full day pass to CocoCay, including the thrill park. How amazing is that? And we actually shot this video before the cruising actually came back. So just because we did the whole island tour, we couldn't do the wave pool, but that's okay. I'm sure you had a lot of fun watching the video as well. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also write your comments. And that's it from this video, folks. Until I post my next video, bye for now and take care, folks.